Okay. Hello guys, we are going to celebrate tonight our anniversary, our first year anniversary. Today is the May 10th. That's when we get married last year. We're having a dinner date at Salt Lake, and the name of the restaurant is Capital Grill. So we'll see you guys there. Eto na guys, nakarating na kami sa place na pinili ni Habi sa Capital Grill. Papasok na kami at syempre naka-order agad kami. Ang bilis, diba? Pass forward mga kamuret, syempre. At dito pa lang guys, busog na kami sa appetizer na in-order namin. Ang calamari nila guys, panalo. Kaya dito pa lang busog na ako. Hindi na ako nag-order ng iba pang food. Meron silang free breads and free taste for wine if you want to order wine. At in-enjoy naman namin ni asawa talaga kasi ang sarap. Kaya punta kayo dito guys, Capital Grill, panalo sa bread, ang sarap at ang calamari nila patok. Shout out nga pala sa dalawang guy na nag-serve sa amin. I don't remember their name but they are so nice. Inasikaso talaga kami guys. And yung isang guy, tinanong niya kung anong sineselebrate namin. Sabi ko naman, it's our anniversary. So, binigyan niya kami ng free dessert, cheesecake, at saka yung drinks namin, hindi niya na rin pinabayad. Kaya, super enjoy kami ni Habi. Thank you, Capital One. No, it's not Capital One. It's Capital Grill. Sorry naman. Eto na nga, at yung dessert, pinigay na sa amin. Ang sarap, cheesecake. Kaya, thank you, Capital Grill. We're done. Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. I love you.
Wow. Love you too.
Happy anniversary.
Happy together.
Forever.